Good afternoon, students. Hope other students will also join soon. So today we will learn page replacement algorithm, out of which one we will do today. Actually, page replacement algorithm will be discussed in next theory class. Uh, Meanwhile, one of the simplest page replacement algorithms we will discuss today. So we have already studied about fragments and pages, right? So now what happens is this can be basically implemented in virtual memory, because in virtual memory pages needs to be replaced actually from main memory, virtual memory to main memory, with pages need to be replaced. So in an operating system that uses paging for memory management, a page replacement algorithm is needed to decide which page needs to be replaced when new pages comes in. Okay, so actually we are sure by by this time that if there are 4 slots in the memory, and the memory then can accommodate only 4 pages. But suppose if the CPU or the program requires a fifth page which is not already available, then one of the earlier pages which is not in use is to be replaced by the new page. So that is actually the role of a page replacement algorithm. The question is to decide which page to replace. So actually, different algorithms are based on the different policies that are used for page replacement. Okay, so page fault. Actually, a page fault happens when a running program accesses a memory page that is mapped into the virtual address space but not loaded into physical memory. So, whenever a program tries to access some content which is available in the virtual memory but not in physical memory, then that is called page fault. So, to avoid to get rid of page fault, the only way is to replace some pages in the main memory by some pages in the virtual memory which has been requested. Okay, since actual physical memory is much smaller than virtual memory, page faults happen. In case of page fault, operating system might have to replace one of the existing pages with the newly needed page. Different page replacement algorithms suggest different ways to decide which page to replace. Their target for all algorithms is to reduce the number of page faults. Okay, so why, question is why we need different algorithm? Because actually we need to minimize the total number of page faults. Now, depending on the requirement, the number of page faults may be different for different programs, different purposes. The first program, actually, there are different algorithms available. We will study later the other algorithms. The first and the easiest one is first in, first out FIFO. That means the page that comes first in the main memory will have to leave first if some new page is to be requested. Okay, so this is the simplest page replacement algorithm. In this algorithm, the operating system keeps track of all pages in the memory in a queue. The oldest page is in the front of the queue. Okay, so actually first in first out is like the queue. Okay, you remember queue data structure. So first in first out, front of the queue. When a page needs to be replaced in front of the queue, it is selected for removal. Okay, so the page which comes first will leave first. Okay, so every time this will continue until the program execution completes. And typical example, so consider pages, a page reference. So now actually page faults are counted with reference to page reference. That means the program, no matter which program it is, our program refers to which pages from the main memory. That is the question. Okay, so we now consider page references 130356 with 3 page frames. Okay, so the requested frames are in the sequence 1, then 3, then 0, then 3 again, then 5, then 6, and only seats available are 3. That means total number of frames that can be occupied in the main memory are 3. So number of page faults, suppose here, now you see initially, now we will go for the um, um, we'll go for a system where actually initially the entire main memory is free. So initially, first frame which is referred by the program will be 1. Okay. Now initially the entire frames are all the 3 frames are blank, so it will be called a miss. So that is why, as you can see in the diagram, it will be called a miss, and then the first frame will be entered into memory. You see again 2 frames are empty. Okay. So first frame. Second request is 3. Second frame reference is 3. So 3 is again not available. So 1 and 3 again, this is also a miss. Then 130, page number 0. So 130, 0 is entered in the queue, and then it is also a miss. Say fourth reference is 3. See, 3 is already available in the frames. So this is called a hit. Okay, total number of it is hit. Okay, this is no replacement is required. Then is 5. So now 5 is again miss because 5 is already not available in the frame. So which page is to replace? Now this is as per the FIFO algorithm. The page that came first will be replaced first. So 5 will enter into replacing 1, and then it will be 530. It will be also miss. Then next frame is 6. 6 is also not available here again. So 1303563. Okay. So 6 and 3. So 6 will replace 3, and then it will enter into the frames. Okay. Next will be again 3 will be replaced. So 3 was actually removed, but now again required. So this will now replace 0 and some. So the available frames after the present frames will be 5, 6, and 3. So now you just count total number of hit and miss. So total number of miss is the total number of false. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is the total number of page false, and total number of hits is actually 1. Okay. As you can see here, initially all slots are empty. So when 130 came, then they entered into the empty slot. So 3 base false. Then when 3 comes, it is already into the memory. So 0 base false. So when 5 comes, it is not available in the memory. So it replaces the oldest page, that is 1. That is 1 page fall. So 6 comes into it is then also not available in the memory. It replaces the oldest slot, that is 3. So again 1 page fall. Then finally 3 comes again, and it is not available. So it replaces 0. So 1 page fall. Okay. In connection to this, you will have a Bilet's anomaly that we will discuss in theory class. A Bilet's anomaly, just for noting down, proves that it is possible to have more page fall when increasing the number of frames while using FIFO page replacement algorithm. For example, if we consider a reference string 3, 2, 1, 1 0, 3, 2, 0, sorry, 0, 4, 3, 2, 0, and with 3 slots we get total 9 page faults. But if we increase slots to 4, we get 10 page faults. Now let us verify this with our program. So the program is already written here. Now let us verify this code. Okay, this code is already tested here. I will now change my sharing to screen mode. As you can see, students, can you see my screen? Students, can you see my screen? Students, can you see my screen? Please reply, students. Can you see my screen? Okay, so I repeat from the beginning. So actually, I share my entire screen. If you have any problem, just let me know. So we talk about page replacement. We have already discussed that page replacement algorithm is actually required when we bring pages from virtual memory to main memory. Okay, so in an operating system that uses paging for memory management, a page replacement algorithm is needed to decide which page needs to be replaced when a new page comes in. So here comes the term page fault. A page fault happens when a running program accesses memory page that is mapped into the virtual address space but not loaded into physical memory. Since actual physical memory is much smaller than virtual memory, page faults happen. So actually, page faults, because total number of pages in the virtual memory might be very much very huge, whereas the total number of pages that can be accommodated into the frames of the main memory will be less. So what comes is page fault. A page is requested but not available in memory. So this is called page fault. So in case of page fault, operating system might have to replace one of the existing pages with the newly needed page. So different page replacement algorithms suggest different ways to decide which pages to replace. The target for all algorithms is to reduce the number of page faults. Okay. So number of page fault or number of miss is actually to be reduced. That is the target of all page replacement algorithms, and different page replacement algorithms follow different policies. The first and the simplest one is actually FIFO, first in, first out. So this is the simplest page replacement algorithm. In this algorithm, the operating system keeps track of all pages in the memory in the queue. The oldest page is in the front of the queue. When a page needs to be replaced, then the page is in the front of the queue is selected for removal. So just like a queue, first in, first out. Okay. Let us consider an example. So consider a page reference string 1303560. That means the pages in the given sequence are requested one by one. First one is requested, then 3, then 0, then 3, then 5, then 6, then again 3 with 3 page frames. So total number of frames will be 3. So now in order to find number of page faults, let us consider. So initially all frames are blank. So whatever page will be requested in the frames is actually not available, so that will be counted as a miss. So in first reference, as you can see in the diagram, is 1 that is not available, so that will be counted as a miss, and then 1 will be brought from virtual memory to main memory. Then second request is for 3, then 3 is also not available, so 3 will be accommodated into the frames, 1 frame will still be blank. Then reference is 0, 0 is also not available, so it will also be a miss, and 130 is in the memory. Now no free slots are available, but the next frame requested is again 3. Okay, you see 3 is already available in the loaded frame, so it will be called a hit. So this is not a miss. Now again the next reference is 5. So 5305 now is not available in the frame, so 5 will replace the first page that came into the frames is actually 1, so 5 will replace 1, then it becomes 530. Then again requested is 6, 6 is also not available, so the next the oldest one is actually 3. So now we have 560, and then again requested is 3, so this time 3 is also not available, so 0 will be replaced by 3 and 5, 6, 3. So now look at the hit and miss summary. You see the first 3 were miss, fourth one is a hit, again last 3 were miss, so total number of page fault will be 6. So this is how actually we count page faults. Okay. So here actually one term is used, Bilet's anomaly. What says that it proves that, so there is a proof, and we will see it in theory class. So Bilet's anomaly proves that it is possible to have more page faults when increasing number of page frames. while using FIFO page replacement. For example, if we consider reference string 3210, 324, 32104 and 3 slots, we get total 9 page faults. But if we increase the slots to 4, we get to 10 page faults. Now let us verify. This is the programming code that has been tested already. So we will run this code. This code will run, and then we will see whether our knowledge is proper or not. Okay, the program. Now I will shift to the program. So this is actually the program FIFO page replacement. So now we will run this program, and uh, what was the first what was the first 1303563 and 3 pages. Okay, 1303563. Okay, so we will run this. 1303560 we will check here. So sorry, wrong click. Total number of frames was 3 and number of pages 1303563. We have 7 page requests actually. So number 1 3 sorry 3 0 3 5 6 3. So now comes the given pages are 1303563. So first you see initially here -1 is denoted used to denote actually blank frames. So initially first one is inserted. So first one will be missed. So number 3 page number 3, so 1 3 again inserted. So one frame is left blank. Then 130. See page number 3 is inserted. So 3 is actually hit. So page number 5 is inserted replacing 1, and then page number 6 is inserted replacing 3, and then page number 3 is again inserted replacing 0. So total number of page fault will be 6 that we have verified. So now we will again so suppose we want to verify the Bilady's anomaly with this example, with this vector program. So total number of frame references 3 2 1 0 3 2 4 3 2 1 0 4 3 2 1 0 3 2 2 4 3 2 1 0 4. So 12 frames. So first we will see what it is said in the Bilady's anomaly is that if we have 3 slots, then we have 9 page faults. If we have 4 slots, we have 10 page faults. Okay. So let us verify. Okay. Again, we'll run the same program. Okay. So number of page frames initially we'll have 3. Okay. Total number of pages we have 1 2 12 pages. So enter the page numbers one by one. So 3 2 1 0 3 2 4 3 2 1 0 3 2 1 0 again 4. So it is said that it has have total number of page faults is 9. Okay, that is verified. Again we will repeat the same thing with 4 frames. Let us see again. Okay, we run the program again. For the number of frames this time it is 4. So the number of pages page request will be 12. So again the same thing, 3 2 1 0 3 2 4 3 2 1 0 4. Okay, this time total number of page faults will be 10. Okay, if the requested pages the sequence is different, then obviously the output total number of page faults is also different. So that is called Belady's anomaly. Okay, so now I upload this into Google Classroom. And then you can check and you can show me the output screenshots as you have been doing till now. Okay, this has been uploaded, this will be uploaded right now into Google Classroom, so that you can do. And before leaving I'll take today's attendance. So students, before leaving, please respond to the roles. Roll number 2, Ivala Rehun present. Deepasri Singha.
Present, sir.
Tirthanko Borua.
Present, sir.
Neeraj Singha.
Yes, sir.
Kiranjit Kumar Das.
Present, sir.
Shekhar.
Present, sir.
9, Yogesh. Lesimba Singh.
Present, sir.
Dipu Chetri. Partha Pratim. Imomlen.
Present, sir.
Tanmoy. Jyotishmoy.
Present, sir.
কোন তুমি তন্ময় নে জ্যোতিষময়? তন্ময়
Sir,
নে?
Jyotisma, sir.
ওকে আব্দুল্লাহ
Jyotisma.
দিছু আব্দুল্লাহ মনীষ সরকার
Sir.
মনীষ
Yes, sir.
সৌরভ সুমন
Present, sir.
रोजित पांडे
Present, sir.
दुलार कुमार
Present, sir.
हाँ सौरन चौधरी ऋतुपाल दुर्लभ ज्योति सोलंकी
Present, sir.
नितुल दास
Present, sir.
चुमचुमो
Present, sir.
absentees. Once again I am repeating, please respond if you are present. Ivala Rehon, Shekhar Kumar Das, Shekhar,
Sir, 007 present.
Disu, Yogesh, 9 Yogesh, 11 Dipu Chetri, 12 Partha, 18 Abdullah.
सर वो लेफ्ट कर दिया, मीटिंग लेफ्ट कर दिया सर वो।
कौन?
सर अब्दुल्ला
है तो दिखाई दे रहा है अभी।
ओके ओके सर अभी
23 Sauran Chaudhary absent, 24 Ritupal Sonal absent, 25 Durlabh Jyoti absent, rest present. Okay, now you complete the assignment and upload.